Hello, welcome to the CEO DG and La YouTube channel. Hello, welcome to the CEO DG and La YouTube channel.
Daily Booster GK 5 question answers for 10th August 2021. Win rupees 5000 pay balance. I am going to start today's Amazon quiz questions. Here the main page opened. From there to home page. In that I am going to click on programs and features. In programs and features, I am scrolling down for Fun Zone, where we find daily quiz questions. Here Fun Zone page opened, win prizes every day, and scrolling down for today's Amazon quiz questions. Here it is. Quiz time now running 24 hours daily, starts at 12 a.m. Answer and win rupees 5000. And I am going to start by clicking on play now button. One more page opened here. Daily quiz time. Answer all 5 questions. Enter the lucky draw to win the prize by answering all 5 questions correctly. If all questions are correct, then only you can enter the lucky draw. And there is a chance to win Amazon Pay rupees 5000. Today, as compared to yesterday's prize money, 10 times decreased. Yesterday 50,000, today 5,000 only. And don't think about the price because crores of people are trying to test their luck every day. And also, I am going to start today's quiz questions by clicking on start button. Here, the most awaiting the first question. Which European country changed its name to avoid confusion with a province in Greece? Repeating the question. Which European country changed its name to avoid confusion with a province in Greece? The options are Cyprus, North Macedonia, Serbia, Romania. So which one you are guessing? So whenever you see all 5 questions, guess whether the answer is right or wrong, anyone. And after completion of 5 questions, test yourself how many questions right and how many wrong. Like that you can develop the learning skills daily. So which is your guess here? The correct answer is North Macedonia. I am adding some more info. North Macedonia. Actually, Macedonia until February 2019, officially the Republic of North Macedonia is a country in Southeast Europe. It gained independence in 1991. It gained independence in 1991 as one of the successor states of Yugoslavia. North Macedonia is a landlocked country bordering with Kosovo to the northwest, Serbia to the north, Bulgaria to the east, Greece to the south, and Albania to the west. It constitutes approximately the northern third of the larger geographical region of Macedonia. Skopje, the capital and the largest city, is home to a quarter of the country's 2.08 million population. The majority of the residents are ethnic Macedonians, a South Slavic people. Albanians form a significant minority at around 25%, followed by Turks, Romani, Serbs, Bosniaks, and Aromanians. So as per the question, I already announced that the correct answer is North Macedonia. So North Macedonia, that is a European country, changed its name to avoid confusion with a province in Greece. So I am clicking on the second option, North Macedonia. So the side came here. I think you also guessed like that. Now moving to the second question. Drag reduction system or DRS. Those who are the lovers of sports and games, they can know this term well. Or DRS, it is in short, it is called DRS, drag reduction system, is a very useful tool used in which of the following sports? Repeating the question, drag reduction system or DRS is a very useful tool used in which of the following sports? Here the options are table tennis, archery, F1, that is Formula 1, and swimming. Which is your guess? In which sports the DRS system is highly useful? So I am adding some more info about the question. In motor racing, the drag reduction system, that is the DRS, is a form of driver adjustable body work aimed at reducing aerodynamic drag in order to increase top speed and promote overtaking. It is an adjustable rear wing of the car which moves in response to driver commands. DRS often comes with conditions such as the pursuing car must be within a second when both cars cross the detection point for DRS to be activated. DRS was introduced in Formula 1 in 2011. Actually, the DRS system was introduced in Formula 1 in 2011. The use of DRS is an exception to the rule banning any moving parts whose primary purpose is to affect the aerodynamics of the car. So, the right answer is F1. I think you guessed the same only. So, drag reduction system or DRS is a very useful tool used in F1 sports. So, I am clicking on the third option, F1. So, keep it up came here. Now, moving to the third question. China and which country have agreed to build a International Lunar Research Station ILRS, possibly on the moon's surface? Repeating the question, China and which country have agreed to build a International Lunar Research Station, possibly on the moon's surface? Here the options are Russia, Japan, UAE, United Arab Emirates, France. Which one you are guessing? I am adding some more info. The International Lunar Research Station ILRS. The International Lunar Research Station is a planned lunar base currently being developed by Roscosmos of Russia. Roscosmos of Russia and the China National Space Administration. The ILRS will serve as a comprehensive scientific experiment base built on the lunar space or on the lunar orbit that can carry out multidisciplinary and multi-objective scientific research activities, including exploration and utilization, lunar-based observation, basic scientific experiment and technical verification, and long-term autonomous operation, etc. So, as per the question, the correct answer is Russia. So, China and Russia have agreed to build a international lunar research station, possibly on the moon's surface. So I am going to click on the first option, Russia. I think you guessed the same only. Keep it up came here. Now moving to the fourth question and the first image of today's GK questions. It is very useful question. And who is the current CEO of the company that first designed this technology? What is here in the image? Earbuds are there. So, who designed this first designed this technology, and who is the CEO of this company? Repeating the question, who is the current CEO of the company that first designed this technology? Here the options are Pekka Lundmark, Pete Lau, Sundar Pichai, Timothy Cook. So whom are you guessing? I am adding some more info. Tim Cook is the current CEO of Apple and is one of the best entrepreneurs in the world. After a 12-year career at IBM, Cook went on to serve in the executive roles at Intelligent Electronics and Compaq. Later in 1998, Cook joined Apple, and after a decade in the company, he was named the CEO of the company. Tim also announced the first product under his leadership, a wearable device to track fitness and health, the Apple Watch and etc. products. Here in the image, earbuds. Okay, so Timothy Cook is the current CEO of the Apple company that first designed this technology, means this buds etc. Okay, so I am going to click on the fourth option, Timothy Cook. So keep it up came here. Now moving to the last question, and it is related to the India's flag. So very soon we are going to celebrate India's independence on August 15th. So national flag given here. How many spokes are there on the wheel part of this flag? Repeating the question, how many spokes are on the wheel part of this flag? There is a wheel in the middle. So in that wheel, how many spokes are there? The options are 22, 27, 24, 20. So which is your guess? So I am adding some more info. The Ashoka Chakra, that wheel is called the Ashoka Chakra, is a depiction of the Dharma Chakra, a wheel represented with 24 spokes in Buddhism. It is so called because it appears on a number of edicts of Ashoka, most prominent among which is the lion capital of Ashoka. The most visible use of the Ashoka Chakra today is at the center of the flag of India. Actually, it was adopted on 24 July 1947, where it is rendered in a navy blue color on a white background. The circular Ashoka Chakra illustrates the progressiveness of the India or India's development. So here, as per the question, the answer is 24. So there are 24 spokes on the wheel part of this India's national flag. So I guessed, I think you guessed right only. So I think you guessed the right answer. So I am clicking on the third option, 24. So superb, you seem to be a champion came here. So today's 5 out of 5 questions right. As appreciation, well done came here. You are eligible for a lucky draw in this contest, Amazon Pay rupees 5,000. You can check the winners list on 11th August 2021. Keep learning, enhance your learning skills, enjoy your happiness with your friends by sharing the video every day. Thank you and have a nice day.
Dhanyavad. Thank you. If you like this video, do like, subscribe and share. See you in the next one. Bye bye.